Let's take a look at how we can delete data from our header in Microsoft Word. So you can see this is my header, which is located in my header of each of my pages. Let's just say, you know what, I don't really want that. So I can just double click anywhere in there and delete that, and then choose to close the header and footer. Now, you're not going to delete the header and footer altogether. However, what you can do is you can minimize the size of the header and footer if you'd like. So we choose Remove Header, and it doesn't actually mean that it's removed anything. It's still there. I'll add in new data, click Close. We'll go back into Insert, choose Header, and once again, choose Remove Header. All it does is remove the text. It doesn't actually remove the header or the footer when you make those kinds of changes. So those are two different ways you can quickly delete the data in a header or a footer in Microsoft Word 2021 as well as older versions.